Yo vlog fam, so today we're going to be going to see my dad and my sister, but we have to self-distance with our masks, so yeah, let me just put my mask on. So now that I have my mask on, let's get to it. So we're here now and we're with Dad, there he is.
Hello.
So yeah, we're gonna go into Tesco's and get Gemma some milk so we can do some baking. So yeah, we'll see you when we get outside. Well, not outside, but out of the car. So yeah, we'll see you when we get out of the car. Right, we're going in Tesco's now, got the mask on, I look like a ninja. So yeah, we're gonna pop into Tesco. Ninja! Boop.
This can now be placed in your bag.
Thanks, I placed it. Hey!
Oh no, it's
You got a bag, didn't you?
No, look.
Oh dear.
I've got Alex some birthday presents in this chair over here and I'm excited to see what it is.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go have a look. Yeah. So is it this? Is this hoodie? What is
No.
this? Is this Kit Kat?
Kit Kat, it's a
That's
film.
so good. I know Kit Kat is a film. It's so good. Is this mine now?
No.
Comes with a pink belt. This is a fancy belt. What's to do with this belt? Right. Alright, so yeah, we look at the card.
Oh look, it's superheroes.
Yeah, that's cool. Birthday wishes to a fantastic brother. Have a super day. Show the card.
Oh yeah.
So there it is. So yeah, what does it say? To my brother Alex, you're loved very much, and this comes to say, hope you have a fun-filled birthday. Happy 26th birthday. I hope you enjoy. Oh, I hope you have a good one. Lots of love, Sister Gemma. Oh, that's really nice. Left price on it. Brother Alex, birthday 26th of April. My birthday's not 26th of April. £30. Hope you spend it on something nice. So is the £30 in the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll leave that then for now. So here's the cans of Monster. 4 cans. I'm gonna enjoy those. And I got a t-shirt too. What is it? Oh, it looks like Rick and Morty.
Yeah, Rick and Morty.
Oh yeah, so good, look. My
Yeah.
hands.
Aiden bought you that.
Oh, that's nice of him.
Yeah.
Look, Aiden got me this. Can you see it in the shop? There we go, yeah. And it says, yo, what's up, my glib
We
glabs?
got it from Amazon as well.
Oh, that's cool. What's up, my glib globs? That's what it says, look, there it is. And that's what the t-shirt looks like. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put the t-shirt on. Woo! Now I'm wearing it, look. Fits
Oh,
me.
yeah.
Fits me perfect. I love that. Oh shoot, it's recording me. That's not great. Get off me! Right,
back.
what are we looking at? Oh yeah, isn't it good?
Yeah, good. Look
Yeah,
at
it's
it.
pretty good that.
Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, isn't it good?
Oh, look at fucking
Giving me a stitch. Right, where's Gemma gone now?
Look at it.
You know, but Gemma needs a mask. Oh, my stitch. Oh, it's painful. Where's Gemma?
I don't know.
Oh, I need to stretch. I can't record now, I need to stretch. Gemma, where
Where
is
is she?
Where is she?
She's slow.
Oh, my stitch.
Yeah, get
Oh,
the
there
car,
she
get the
is.
car.
Get the car, Gemma.
You tramp.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wrong car, Gemma.
Oh. Someone.
You should show that's Dana's bag. No, it's Dana's bag. Yeah, it's that one, yes.
No, Dennis.
So we're done at Gemma's now. She played some VR. We did actually a cooking show, like a mini cooking show, nothing really serious. And yeah, so we actually made the thing that I showed. Oh, I don't know if I showed it, but the thing, basically this. Let me show it now. Where is it? This. So basically this here, we made this in like a little cooking show kind of environment. It turned out really well. I've edited it together already. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the vlog or just separate, but it'll go up today as well as this. So yeah, that was really cool. So yeah, we're going to probably go off and get food. I'm not sure if we're going to go and get food with my dad or if I'm just going to order Taco Bell at home. I don't know yet. It depends on what's going to happen. So I need to see what's happening with Dad. He's not here. He's gone somewhere. So yeah, we'll see you back in a minute. So yeah, we're going now. And then we're leaving Gemma here. So we're going to go without her. So yeah, say goodbye. Say goodbye. There you go. Yeah, it took a while. So yeah, we're going to go now and we'll see you when we get outside in the car. No, you got to do it with 2 feet. You still can't do it. Hey! So we're off now. You want to roll down the window? And I can say goodbye properly. Alright. We're off now. Yep. Thanks for a good time. Yeah, bye-bye. There he goes. Bye-bye.